Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, this guy's only gonna play junk, so I might as well switch off.
I'm a Torbjorn 2-trick.
This guy's gonna play only Genji, and this guy's gonna play only Widow, probably. Great.
I mean, it's not bad if everyone does their job. If everyone does their job, then it's an easy win.
True that.
This is an interesting match here.
Alright.
This map reminds me a little bit of Temple of Anubis off rip. I kind of like it. I'm a huge fan.
It's
of
okay.
Temple.
I mean, I don't really like the
TSD
payload
Wanky.
that much.
It's a pretty cool name.
Yeah,
Just
I've only gotten to second point on this. I
Spaghetti.
11th game back,
Pretty high up
Taking a
traceable
break.
main.
but
We could be in some
MF
trouble here,
Doom.
boys.
5,
Let's see what can happen.
3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Alright, let's do this.
top right. They have an Orisa.
Okay, I'm gonna dive in soon.
Junkrat.
McCree stinks.
3.
I'm up there. I'm up there. They fell back.
Dive in on Zen. You guys ready? Oh, I'm low, I'm low, I'm low.
I'm focusing shield.
This way, we need to heal
Heal
up.
me up
we need
here,
to heal
please. Heal me up.
up. I'm healing you, I'm healing you.
Diva,
McCree,
Diva.
guys, McCree. What the hell?
Diva's out of mech.
Diva's dead.
Nice, get the McCree though.
Nice.
He's res me and then
Where's it? Where's
kill
it?
McCree.
Is it behind us?
Crease 1. Nice, nice.
Nice,
I'm
res.
focusing shield.
I'm healing you, Genji.
Shit, I'm on a trap.
Let's go. We're discorded.
Junkrat half.
Nice.
Junkrat and Moira on the right.
Nice, nice. Good kills, good kills. Monkey, you have your orb.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys.
There we go. Good kills, good kills. Here, what else you got heals?
That was pretty good playing capture.
Objective
We had pretty good target focus there.
Escort the payload.
Ah, unlucky.
I had shit spawn, so I'm still a second away here. You guys might want to wait up. I'm on
I
S.
put an arrestor barrier up here.
I'm on payload. Play
Oh,
a
I got
life.
pulled. No, I got pulled, dude.
That's almost. Our Zen should have been playing a bit further
Genji's there.
back.
Our Genji's one. Just wait, regroup. Nice kill, nice kill. Oh,
I got
there's that
my-
snipe you.
I got my thing sucked.
Yeah, that's not good.
Meeting sucked a lot. Holy crap. I have transing.
I got ult.
I got 70 on trans.
Let's dive on the McCree or the Zen.
He's dead.
Okay, Junkrat's alone. You see him?
Now's a good time to go, guys.
Go, go now. Go, go.
Marissa discorded, half HP.
McCree 1 health. Second story in the back left corner.
Oh, that's coming for me.
Damn
That
it,
was-
dude.
that
I
was
was
not
here
good.
near me.
I didn't do so well then.
Good res though.
They
We
just
lost
broke my
it. We
shield.
lost it. Just fall back or die. Fall back. Fall back.
I am.
Time at this point.
McCree. Kill him.
My trap on the car.
Got him.
Nice, nice.
That's a very good pick. We're just getting here now. Don't die. Oh,
Mike died of that.
me.
No.
Dude, can I just not get fucking picked off rip?
Kill junk up top. The junk's all by himself, guys. Kill him.
I love you, Mercy. I'm getting on point.
Yeah, get on point. I'm trancing. Go.
They tranced as well.
I'm just bullying them right now.
Diva. Junk's left. Watch out.
Diva's on the back line. Turn around, kill Diva.
Oh my god, I got.
Diva's one.
I gotta get out of here. It's not safe. Casamigos.
Nice job.
Come back this way.
This is it. The bongos are down.
Alright, that's good.
Junk is dead too.
Good shots, Widow. Good shots, Widow.
That jump.
Yeah, she's popping.
Yeah, our Widows were
Here,
really
come
good.
back for heals.
I didn't do
Three on
anything.
point.
else.
Mercy, let me heal that. Get my ulti up.
Honestly, I should
I
have been
got my
focused.
double trap on
I
the
should
roof of the
have.
car.
I should have been
That's all
able to
trap
kill the
that's on
McCree
the
with my
car.
monkey ult and opened up a fight for us. That was
This
smart.
Diva's overextending, losing her jump. As
Luckily,
long as we
my,
fucking melt this bitch, dude. That's not mine.
McCree's high ground with Mercy.
It's on the payload.
Junkrat's 1 HP.
Oh,
Being pocketed.
you debated me, dude. Nice res.
I need some heals
res.
too.
Peel me.
I'm in the back. I'm in the back. You're on the back. Back.
Kill Diva.
Three behind us still, guys. Watch out.
Yeah, I'm looking for him with my tire. I can't find him.
I should have been able to come with the
He's in the
Junkrat.
horseshoe, I think.
You know you had Orb and Mercy pocket.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck the horseshoe is.
This thing right here.
If I meleeed, I probably would have got him. Should
Okay.
have.
Nice shot. Alright, leave the McCree behind us.
At least
He's
I'm
gonna
weakening
have
him
ult,
for a Zen to
but-
finish him off.
Yeah, we need to be careful of that, though.
Dude, the Mercy was like a fucking magnet to my bombs.
Yeah, I need to
It was
focus
beautiful.
Zen,
Go back up a
McCree.
bit, Widow. There's a healer up there.
McCree's
There's a double trap in that doorway on the left.
Dive on McCree.
Yeah, he's behind us.
Just get Ryan, Ryan.
Oh, that's actually a massive
The McCree was actually where they were.
Nice, good kill on Zen. Junk's on me on the payload.
I'm killing Junk.
Low,
Where
low, low,
I
low.
find him.
Nice.
Good job.
Diva.
Diva.
She's low, she's
That
low.
was so bad.
She's one.
We were winning that fight and I jumped all over.
Or
You
two.
peek the edge, I can hear you.
She just came back in.
Depending on who you are, I suppose.
Ryan.
Ryan on my trap.
Ryan one.
This Ryan on my trap.
Ulting, go in. Zen. Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna die to that.
I thought I had
Okay.
bubble.
You hate it, bro. Dude, what out?
Thank you.
Big res. Kill the Diva.
Go on the left.
Push in.
I'm just gonna have ult 1 second here. I go. I have ult 1 second.
There's 1
Nice
second
kill
on
on Diva, bro.
Ryan's
Ryan's one.
Yeah, that's not good.
Stay on point.
Nice. Good kills
Our
for them. Good
Widow's
kills.
popping.
Big
Oh.
tire, dude. Good job.
Okay, I kind of got carried
Well
there.
done, everybody.
I think I did alright,
Switching
but
sides.
not the
Playing
best
well.
play I could have done.
Oh, have you ever hit GM?
Have I ever hit GM?
Prepare your defenses.
Bro, I've been top
Select
500.
your hero.
Okay, I mean, I just checked like last 2 seasons. That's it.
Yeah, it should be
I'll
the
probably-
season right before.
Honestly, I tried to go
Let me
Orisa
see.
here, but no one else
Tell
plays
you right
Hog.
now.
Amazing and
Oh,
Ryan
season
or
6,
Winston
yeah.
again.
Season 5, right before he got the buff, I got to 3942.
Oh, but it was
So
just
that was
Man.
before I had
popping.
2 mines, bro.
Yeah, and then when you had 2 mines, you got to 4082. Well, you hit 4400, so
Yeah.
nice, dude.
Yeah, that
Are
was
you all the way down in these leagues?
I just,
Hacks,
I
13-year-old
took a break. I
GM
only
role.
got 6 hours last season.
Do you guys want Monkey Orisa, Ryan?
Arissa, I think.
I took a break. I mean, I wasn't playing as hardcore as I
some
was. Is
huge
what happened. I started
pulls,
losing
boys.
rank in those 6 hours, and I was just like, dude, I don't even have it in me right now. I've been grinding this game so hard. I don't even.
Kicking dirt, what the fuck is this? What the?
Turned off my try hard, and I was losing way
Bang,
too many
bang.
matches. You know what I mean, man? When you're not having fun,
Yeah,
with
yeah.
that
Horsey,
focus,
kicking
it's
dirt.
like,
I agree. I took a break a while back in like season 4, and I just didn't play for that season.
S9, what?
I've been doing a ton of League of Legends, PUBG.
Tactic
I'm
is
playing
gotta
some Fortnite too. Not too much, but I've
A
been
little
playing a little bit.
Fortnite. Yeah,
Shoot
Fortnite,
shield in the
I
air.
think it's a beautiful game, but
right when you drop
as
it,
big of a piece of shit as
the
PUBG
cooldown.
is, I still prefer it.
This
Something
time
about PUBG.
because now the
I have
cooldown
both.
is
of them.
already ticking.
I
as
used
you
to play
see.
PUBG a lot, but
One.
It's a
There
piece
you
of shit still, but you know what I mean.
Defend objective
There's just something
A.
about it, dude. Though.
here, Mercy, damage boost me. I'm gonna get a pick. You ready?
Oh, nice
Okay,
headshot.
no, stole it. Oh, the
Pure
monkey.
trash.
Tracer on me. Can I get a heal down here?
Yeah, you're fine. You have both heals, so.
Tracer's coming up behind you on the left.
Be careful. Oh my God, Widow. My Widow's
Fat
kind
man's
of.
on my trap on the left.
And down. Diva's
no heals.
just one. Diva's one.
I just did like 2,000 damage to this fat man. He's still alive.
He's calling early
And you have your orb
GG's.
too, don't worry.
I think that's Moira in on the downstairs right.
Yeah, push these guys downstairs.
Downstairs on the right. I got damage on Moira. And Tracer in there in the corner. I'm trying to push him now.
Diva's one.
Tracer's one.
Diva.
They came behind me, dude. That was a bad play.
I'm pulling the hog.
Oh, Genji's popping off.
Baby Diva's one. Baby Diva's literally one behind the statue.
Fat man's lit.
Double.
There we go.
Oh, that was a
Nice.
pretty good
Good
pull on my
call,
part.
Arissa. Alright, I'm coming back upstairs. I have 70 on my ulti here.
Playing Widow.
Yeah.
Big pulls,
On
big
this map,
pulls.
I recommend holding up here, but I really don't know. It's a really new map. You can also hold like back
You know these
there.
kids are demoralized, dude. When you're losing to like
But like here is
off-meta
honestly
comp,
the best. And you
you
really want to
automatically
run
think your team's a bunch of
Orisa or
fucking
Reinhardt
potatoes.
because you
I
can
know
have
how
a
this
big
community
shield
works.
and your team
This
just
is
sits on the high
discarded on
ground.
point.
I'm coming back to point.
Sen's dinks. He's 1 HP.
Fat man's on my trap at the gate.
Batman.
Sen's 1, Sen 1.
They're working right. Diva's on the right. Fat man right down the middle. Help me out with Trace on point. I'm with you. Enough.
Diva discorded 1.
Diva's on me on point.
Where's 1? Where's 1? I headshotted one.
Trace is dead. Moira's just tough to hit, bro. I wish I didn't ult, but I ulted.
Thank you for res. In that 1v1 situation
No
with,
sniping a widow. Let's go,
with
dude.
the Zen, I
Freaking body shot.
I
Headshot,
saw him
headshot.
fly walls, but I think I might not know who was there. So I should
Playing
make, I
the
don't think I
GM
needed
as
fortify,
a
but I wanted to
what
take
the-
lost damage just in case a widow was shooting me, which she did, and she eventually got me because my shield placement was
Alright,
horrible.
you feel stingy. I don't even see where this person's shooting, man. Diva's escorted. She's right side.
On Orisa, whenever you have a
Fat
new
man's on my trap
shield,
on the left.
you pretty much want to place it.
Oh yeah, I'm peppering him. Yeah, yeah. Okay, you got heals. You got heals. You're okay.
Diva on the right.
Unless like your shield's already full health, because I think
Tracer's
it
behind
lasts
us.
around 15, 20 seconds.
Tracer's behind us still.
Diva's one.
Tracer discorded underneath.
She's coming behind you on the right. She's on point.
Nobody worry about her. Just
Oh, nice shot, dude.
Our widow's just nuts.
still widow.
I mean, for
It's fucking
tank,
over, dude.
for soul
Yeah,
tanking,
they're done.
I don't think I'm doing bad with bronze limbs.
Yep, they're done.
As long as I'm participating most of the kills, I think I'm doing like well. My damage
Hawk
blocked
mid,
isn't that much because they don't have much contest shield damage.
Push in, push in.
Oh, am I getting res?
10, 10, 10.
Double kill.
I'm gonna solo chance you. Let's go. Experience. Tranquility.
Oh, that was a pretty easy game. Oh well.
Lucky. GG's, my guy.
I mean, if the dude was actually experiencing tranquility, he would probably be like, like dude, some shit like that, dude. He wouldn't be like, oh yeah, check this out.
Hey, I'm 1 game into GM, my guy.
Yep, good job, man. Good luck.
This is where I kind of
It's a
fed.
big
I'm pretty
boy
sure.
here. Oh, that's a big deflect.
I'll play the game might be broken, but that was also pretty cool. That is it, boys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.